Today we have Cyrus and he runs an animal NGO in Lucknow.
I run an NGO in Lucknow, which is for not only dogs, for all sort of animals. It is something that has been happening for years. Dogs have not been biting people today. They have been biting people for years, and for years people have been addressing it very normally. They have been going and getting injections done. Now with new technology, many people say कि 14 injections लगेंगे और and 16 injections लगेंगे. It is not true. It is only 3 to 4 injections that are done. That too, it's done with a very like with an insulin. You can get it done also, so it's painless. So it is the main thing. What I say is that if you get bitten by a dog, or you get hit by a bull, or you get bitten by monkey, the thing is that you should go to a doctor. ये आपकी गाड़ी ठुक जाती है तो आप सीधे जाते हैं मैकेनिक के पास. So the same thing, it should not be neglected. If someone says that we got rabies, if a child got bitten or a person got bitten, they went through the pain of getting bitten, they should go for a little more to a hospital and get injected. So
पर आप उनको क्या बोलेंगे जो जनरली आपको नहीं लगता डॉग बाइट केस आजकल इंडिया में काफी बढ़ गए हैं और कुछ लोग जनरली कुत्ते से डरते हैं तो
सी
वो क्या करें?
अगेन अगेन लोग जो हैं बिजली से भी डरते हैं मगर घर में बल्ब जलाते हैं.
हाँ.
ओके. लोग गाड़ियों से भी डरते हैं मगर तब भी सड़क पे चलते हैं. द सेम थिंग, इफ यू सी अ डॉग, यू आर फ्राइटेंड ऑफ अ डॉग, you have to first of all ask people, interact with people who are dog lovers, who are professionally working with animals like this. Okay, go understand, try to get your fear out. So when you see you say that dogs are biting people in Lucknow or everywhere around the world, the dog has, that's the only weapon a dog has on itself. It cannot catch you and box you, or it cannot wag its tail and hit you. The dogs first of all have a thing that they find, if you are frightened, they feel that there is something wrong, that you are approaching them wrong. Why do people put outside their gate, be aware of dogs? Because their dogs, by they are being cautious with other people coming into their house. It's not that कि गेट खुला छोड़ दो, लोगों को आने दो, काट खाएंगे, ये सुधर जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता. You have to be cautious around everything, be it a dog, be it a cat. अब लोग चूहे से भी काट खाते हैं.
हाँ.
So you have to be, and it happens at railway stations. I have seen it happen. People are sitting and a rat from the back is biting them. So if any animal, bird, or anything bites you, down to even a human bites you, I think so you should go and get a doctor to check
नहीं,
into it.
सी व्हाट आई बिलीव वुल्फ्स और केवमैन का एक रिलेशनशिप तो था ही बहुत पहले से. अब मॉडर्न वुमेन और डॉग्स का भी एक है फ्रेंडशिप. एक मतलब मोस्ट लॉयल एनिमल तो बोलते हैं डॉग को. पर आप देख रहे होंगे लेपर्ड का इशू भी काफी बढ़ गया है
जी.
लखनऊ में. तो अब आप कुछ दिन में आप ये भी बोलेंगे कि लोगों को लेपर्ड से भी
नहीं, see,
डरना नहीं चाहिए?
leopard, there is a vast difference and a vast count between stray dogs and leopards. You will find that the leopard is coming into an area where there are lakhs of people. Why is it coming in? That is has to be addressed also. Their forests are being cut. They are coming in because they are not getting the feed that they were getting in the forest. Coming, and if you see, when a leopard comes into a city, it does not, it attacks a human out of fear. Most leopards go for dogs.
फूड के लिए. हाँ.
Yes, the main thing is that they see a dog and they attack a dog first. They take a dog and go. It's very rarely that a human has come in front. Then it is not like a tiger. A tiger will see you and turn, but a leopard's instinct is to run towards you. While it is just opposite to the tiger. If a dog is on the road, there is two sort of people. The mind, it's a complete mindset game also. Now with dogs biting people, everyone hates dogs. Everyone has started looking at a stray dog as a enemy to them. But still we are having processions where people are fighting for the rights of the stray dog, because at the end of the day, when you remove something which is on the road, especially dogs, they cut down to around I'll say 60% of our garbage from their dustbins. They finish it off. They kill off rats.
या.
They kill off rats. If a dog doesn't find food, he's not going to say कि I will wait for someone to come with a pedigree bag. अभी देखिए pigeon case चालू हो गया.
मुंबई में. हाँ.
Yeah, it is suddenly in our country. I feel there is something which I have noticed is very absurd. When someone does, they want to do something, they'll do it with lot of gusto. एक बार में बहुत ज्यादा करेंगे, और suddenly एक दुर्घटना and everyone is like clamping. There will be one rape case, you will find the full country burning candles. After 15 days, no one's burning candles.
स्ट्रे डॉग्स को बाहर खाना खिलाते हैं या
देखिए
सोसाइटीज
उसमें
में।
I agree that people even the prime minister said feed dogs, but you know there is a way of feeding dogs. For example, you don't like dogs, I love dogs. That doesn't mean I as a feeder should come in front of your house and feed all the dogs there only to
या
aggravate you, to try to change your mindset कि okay कल को शायद ये भी दो रोटी डाल देंगे। भाई उसको पसंद नहीं है ये चीज, try not to do that and make enemies with that person. You've been allotted places, टेक द डॉग्स देयर, द डॉग्स विल कम देयर। ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वो बोलेंगे कि हम वहां पे नहीं जाएंगे खाना खाने, वो जाएंगे खाना खाने।
जो लोग उनको फीड कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रे डॉग्स को, किसी भी एनिमल को, उनको उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी लेनी चाहिए।
उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इट इज देयर कंप्लीटली, दे शुड टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। वैक्सीनेशंस इफ इट इज अप टू डेट,
मतलब सिर्फ खाना खिलाना ही
yeah
मकसद नहीं
yeah
होना
it
चाहिए।
is, it is very important you keep a vaccination record, you check if the dog is spaded, okay, or neutered. If it's a male it has to be neutered, and you have the dogs tagged. Tomorrow if we've started telling children in colleges and schools that if you all have dogs there, there in every college and every school there is a community which look afters the animals. We've told them get your local vet in, aisa bhi nahi ki you don't know a vet,
हम्म।
you call your vet in, you get the dogs together, you get them vaccinated, give a copy to your principal or your administration or to whoever in charge that for example tomorrow इसने काट लिया तो आपके पास इसका वैक्सीनेशन रिकॉर्ड रखा है ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट। इट्स नॉट जस्ट फीडिंग एंड गेटिंग अ फोटोग्राफ क्लिक्ड एंड सेइंग माय वर्क इज डन फॉर द डे।
तो उनको फाइन भी होना चाहिए, जैसे यूके में डेंजरस डॉग एक्ट है।
See, they are fines, but again the fine is very less. When someone murders a dog also, the
हम्म।
fine is very less. It's very easy to murder a dog. The
हम्म।
fine for this just now the government has not come out with it, that there will be a fine for someone who is not following rules. I feel all NGOs should be checked. It is very important, okay, it is, I feel it. And I also run a shelter. We have a capacity that there should be only 20 dogs in our shelter. There should be only 20 dogs, they should not be 21. Because what happens is you are just bringing in all sorts of animals. You don't have the feeding and funding, then the begging bowl goes around कि आप खाना खिला के लिए पैसा दे दीजिए, आप इलाज के लिए दीजिए। फिर आपके पास जब पैसा नहीं है तो आप किसी और एनजीओ को वो केस हैंडल ओवर करिए।
तो आपको लगता है क्या कि कॉमन पीपल को, जैसे कोई आम नागरिक है, उसको गवर्नमेंट को या किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ट्रेन करना चाहिए एनिमल्स के साथ रहने के लिए?
देखिए द ट्रेनिंग शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस,
ओके।
okay. We find it I found it very stupid to teach traffic rules to us when we were in class 1. We were never, our parents never ever left our hand on the road, okay. So there was no use of teaching you traffic rules when you are in class 1, when you cannot understand anything. You are sitting in a car and going wherever you have to go, and a child who is in college is riding a helmet with a bike without a helmet. He is overtaking from the left, he is breaking traffic rules because he has forgotten what he learnt in class 1. So this thing should start being taught in school in staged wise. From class 1 to class 5 they should teach that a dog is not a stuffed toy. You should not hug the dog, because we what cases we get is that people are coming कि कुत्ते ने बेटे का शक्ल काट लिया।
हम्म।
भाई इतना कुत्ता यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचा? क्योंकि आपका बच्चा ने उसको, he wanted to kiss the dog, he got bitten. After that in stage wise from class 6 to class 9 teach them something different. Education is the main thing which we are lacking. Your own staff, मैं तो अपने staff को रोज यही समझाता हूँ और सिखाता हूँ जो है, we have instruments, we have things to pick up, वो नहीं कि you just go into the animal, and they are the ones who go home and teach their children.
ऑब्वियसली किसी भी डॉग के या किसी भी एनिमल साथ, इंडिया में खासकर गाय बिल्ली सब सब लोग सड़क पे ही हैं, और मतलब उनका भी ये पार्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड है।
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ इंसानों के लिए तो धरती बनी नहीं रहने के लिए।
And especially like a country like India, especially a country like India where we are living side by side with these animals. And some people love it, some people don't like it, some people like it because of medical issues, some people like it ki, I am keeping it because of this problem. Some are saying that I'm allergic to the issue, like some have cat issue कि हम भाई घर में बिल्ली नहीं रखते, क्यों? क्योंकि उसका फर जाता है नाक में.
हम्म।
Even I'm allergic to cats. But I have my cats. They are in good enclosures. They are well kept. That's so much so my cat had won the best cat of the Lucknow show.
Okay, nice.
Being a cat lover.
Okay.
And people ask, how did you groom your cat so well that it's one of the best cats of the city? And the one thing I told them was, I just keep my cat neat and clean, how a cat should be kept. Where we are living with people who are have snakes in their house. वो पलंग के नीचे से निकल रहा है, उनको कोई, आप गांव जाइए, उनको आप अगर सडनली गांव में बोलेंगे देखो नील गाय टहल रही है, वो लोग घूम के देखेंगे, बोलेंगे नील गाय तो है। और यहाँ पे अगर नील गाय सड़क पे दिख जाता है, लोग को लगता है कि अरे मतलब कहाँ से आ गया ना।
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली उनको लगता है कि ये मेरा अटैक ही करेगा मेरे ऊपर।
बस क्या, हमारे यहाँ लोग आते हैं, वो देखते हैं कि मोर टहल रहा है, फोटो खींचते हैं, फोटो खींचते हैं, फोटो खींचते हैं। बट फॉर मी, आई एम सीइंग इट एवरी डे। हम लोग तो तंग आ गए हैं, हम लोग को भगाना पड़ता है ना। सो इट इज दैट।
आप कैसे ये भाईचारा कैसे, ब्रदरहुड कैसे मेंटेन कर रहे हैं? टर्की भी है, बिल्ली भी है, डॉग्स जो है ये, बंदर भी है, कैसे ये क्या?
The thing, as I said just now a few minutes ago, education. I educated these animals to live well from a small age. As I bring them, the dogs, the cats, the on my Instagram page also there are photographs where my cat and my rabbits are in the same enclosure, sharing it because it was raining. They did not attack, because from day one we have a strict rule that it has to be done like this, it will be done like this. वो नहीं कि वो घर का लाडला है तो हम उसको डांटेंगे नहीं। हमारे पास जितने थ्रोन आउट केसेस आते हैं एनिमल्स में, स्पेशली डॉग्स में, लोग यही बोलते हैं कि मैं सबसे पहले चीज पूछता हूँ क्या हुआ है। भैया घर में सबको काट रहा है। तो मैं पूछता हूँ कि आपने एक काम करिए, न्यूज़पेपर रोल करो और एक दे दो। अरे कैसे मार सकते हैं? इफ योर सन और योर डॉटर डिड समथिंग रॉन्ग, वुड यू चेक हिम और वुड यू से घर का लाडला है?
मैक्सिमम लोग ट्रेन ही नहीं करते अपना
ट्रेन
डॉग।
नहीं करना है। दे डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट, दे डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन गुड ट्रेनिंग। एंड समटाइम पीपल से ट्रेनर क्यों लगाना है? वी आर एजुकेटिंग आवर एनिमल।
ऑब्वियसली भाई, अपने बच्चों को भी तो पढ़ाओगे स्कूल जाके।
I have all sorts of breeds of dogs over here, and still on my gate I don't have be aware of dogs. I don't need it, because the dog knows when his duty starts, when the duty ends. अभी मैं चिल्ला दूंगा और दौड़ूंगा, I'm sure मेरी पूरी टोली मेरे साथ जाएगी। But I'm right now, you are peaceful, I'm peaceful, the dogs are sleeping there, chilled out.